Now let's talk about like terms and unlike terms. With like terms are algebraic terms that have same variable factors. For example, 5x and 10x are like terms. Again, 2m and 15m are like terms because they have the same algebraic variable factor, right? They have the same variable factor. Can you see that? And again, we have 3a and 8a. They also have the same algebraic, the the same variable factor. Can you see the same variable factor? There is a here and there is also a here. They are the same. Now, let's talk about unlike terms. These are like terms. Let's talk about unlike terms. What are unlike terms? Unlike terms are algebraic terms that have different variable factors. So these have different variable factors. Can you see that? So like terms have same variable factors. Unlike them, whilst unlike them have different variable factors. So for instance, what can we say is like terms and unlike terms? Unlike terms looks like this. So if I have 5x and 10y, these are unlike terms. If I have 3a and 8b, can you see that the variable factor here is not the same as this? So these are unlike terms. And again, if I have 10a squared and a, I want you to think about it. A squared, is a squared the same as a? Nope, they are not the same. So they don't have the same variable factors. So these are unlike terms. A squared and a are not the same, right? Even if I have 10a squared and 2a, they don't have the same variable factors. So they are not like terms. These are unlike terms. So these are some of the examples of unlike terms. So now let's take some workable example. And so for instance, if I have, so we'll this is a small example that you are supposed to do. So we should group the like terms in the following. So the first one, we are going to get, we have 4a squared plus 3ab minus 2a squared plus ab. So first of all, let's count. We have 4a squared here. So we are not going to look for 4. We are going to look for any algebraic term with a squared. So we scan through. We go here. Is there any a squared here? Nope. And let's come here. Is there any squared a squared here? Yes, there is an a squared here. So what do? We have 4a squared. Then we are going to shift this negative 2a squared to get close to the 4a squared. So we will shift it. So we have minus 2a squared. Now again, the second different variable that we have is 3ab. So we have 3ab. We are going to shift with 3ab at the back of negative 2a squared. So we have plus 3ab, and the last one, there is also an ab here. We add it to this plus ab. Now we have grouped it. We have grouped them. Can you see 4a squared and minus 2a squared, 3ab and plus and ab. Now the second example will be 2a plus 4b squared minus 3a plus b squared minus 3b squared. So what do we do first? We scan through. We have 2a here. Let's count through with the a. So there is negative 3a here. So we have 2a minus 3a. And let's count through this b squared. We are scanning for b squared. There is b squared here, and b squared. So the first one is plus positive 4b squared. The second one is positive b squared. The last one is negative 3b squared. And we have successfully grouped them into like terms. Now the last example, example 3. So we have 3p plus 5q plus 2p minus q. Now let's count through. We count through, so we have p here. So we are going to go to the next one. We also have p here. So we have 3p plus 2p. Then we have the next one is q, right? Plus 5q. And the last is minus q. And we have successfully grouped them. Group the unlike the because the 3p and 2 and p here, there is p here, so they are like terms, and there's q here and q here are also like terms. So thank you. See you in the next video.